Hello, in front of me I've got CARPURIDE, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay tab. In this video I'll show you how to use Android Assistant on the tab. Firstly, let's pair your smartphone with the tab. Enter Android Auto and now activate Assistant. What's the weather like tomorrow?
Jutro w Kraków będzie 20 stopni i wystąpią liczne przejaśnienia.
What's the weather like tomorrow?
Jutro w Kraków mamy dużo słońca, najwyższa prognozowana temperatura to 20 stopni, a najniższa to 7 stopni.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.